Hey everybody, Chris at Liftkits4less, coming to you live at 2018 SEMA. Here we are at the ProComp booth. Obviously ProComp, arguably the biggest name in suspension. They've got a lift kit for every vehicle on the market. We're gonna go over and talk to Jeff Blakely. He's with engineering, so he's in the backside of all of ProComp development. They've been working on a 4-link kit for the new F250, F350. It's for their 17s and your 18s. How you doing, Jeff?
Hey, Chris.
Cool, cool. Thank you for taking time on it. It's a madhouse here. Hundreds of thousands of people come to this every year to learn about the newest products. Now, we know ProComp makes incredible systems that cover every vehicle from Toyota to Dodges, half tons, 3/4 tons, and so on. Now, last year, you guys rolled out a new kit for the F250. The suspension changed in 2017. And I know that you were working on a 4-link kits for all of these. We'd like to learn about that. And I know obviously you have it up here on the wall. Talk us through the system, the pros, the cons, tire sizes, and what makes ProComp different than everybody else on the market?
So with the change in the 2017s, we decided to expand upon our success from the past with our radius arm drop brackets, control and relocation brackets. We've got a very robust part that ties into the frame rail. We also have added to our base stage 1, stage 2, and 4-link kits. We've added a Crossmember that helps support these and eliminates the flex out of the frame rails, out of the additional leverage.
So that's a huge challenge from a technological standpoint. You start going up in height, your vehicle starts swaying side to side, electronic controls kick in, and that's obviously bad. So what you guys, if I understand, is you firmed up the middle of the vehicle, and you've added this huge, massive BC control arm bracket. And if I understand correctly, this has allowed ProComp, different from everybody else, to take your coil spring and basically make it equal to the factory coil spring. Is that my understanding?
On the 8-inch kit,
yes.
Anytime you raise the center of gravity, you want to firm up the spring rate, the right amount.
Right.
So through spring rate, shock tuning, we can put you on a set of 40-inch tires and have that truck riding as smooth as stock.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, what size tire will the 8-inch kit handle?
So we've got a truck here at the SEMA show with a 40-1350.
40-1350, that is huge. Right. That's awesome.
So a really tall tire. We're running it, we've got the off-road look for our rig, so we've got the worst case scenario for tire clearance. We've developed our arm with the proper amount of clearance for that. So for the guy that wants to run that, a 38-1550 on a 24x12, we've got you covered.
Amazing. Hey, awesome. We appreciate your time. Now let's talk about shock package, because I know ProComp has been working on all new shocks. A lot of the old shock technology is going away. Talk to us about the standard shocks that come in this kit.
So the base package is going to come with our tried and true ES9000.
Okay.
Twin tube, low pressure nitrogen shock. Matches OE specification for poor performance, ride quality, damping characteristics.
And those are ideal for a daily driver, is that right? It's fine. Guys that are looking at a little more performance, off-road, maybe they're on a dirt road, it's got a lot more rumble strips. This is the latest, greatest. Talk to me about this.
A guy with an 8-inch kit and 40-inch tires, he wants appeal. Not only do they have appeal, they have the performance to back it up. So we've got 2.5-inch diameter piston, much larger,
massive
oil volume, so more precision damping, consistent damping. We've got the remote reservoirs, mechanical piston separating a high pressure nitrogen charge, so no cavitation. And in these shocks, we've incorporated our advanced hydraulic rebound cutoff. So rather than just a mechanical limit, you now have internal components of the shock. As you get that abrupt or harsh topping out, and that's going to happen with big 38 and 40-inch tires. Now you have a hydraulic damper to control your rebound limit.
It's amazing. Amazing. This is all internal now, all part of the shock.
Takes out the harsh clanking and clattering that you would get with a standard shock.
Amazing. Hey, okay, so and last, what a lot of people don't realize is that when you buy a ProComp suspension system, you have the option, the consumer has the option of going on ProComp's website and filling out the Powertrain warranty. Now, what it's my understanding is that basically no one has an insurance policy to cover the Modi. You got a brand new $75,000 truck. You know, some guys are worried, you know, is this risk my factory drivetrain warranty? Can you talk just real quickly, I don't want to get into great depth, but talk to me about the warranty that ProComp throws on for free on every suspension system for these new vehicles.
Right, so the lift shield warranty covers your engine, transmission, transfer case, differentials. So as long as you're purchasing through a authorized installer.
We're authorized installers, guys.
Authorized installer, dealer, fill out your paperwork. If you have any issue with that, you're covered.
It's amazing. So my motor, drivetrain, completely covered.
Right.
Nobody else can match that warranty, unbelievable. Jeff, thank you so much, guys. Remember here at Liftkits4less, we carry every suspension system, directions, install videos, we've got it all. Please visit our website. Thanks so much, Jeff.
All right, Chris.
Cool.
Thank you.